Hello, welcome everyone. Your next chapter is surfing net and email. This is your last chapter. So we will start. The internet is a global network of computer. The topic is internet. So internet is a global network of computer means various computers connected together worldwide to share information is internet, and network is two or more computing devices connected together to share resources is called network. So various devices connected together worldwide on different networks is called internet. So internet is like a electronic post office that allows you to communicate instantly with the help of emails and without papers. That is internet. And world wide web is like a giant mall where all these websites are all comes together in a single platform to share similar protocols. So there are various online softwares by which you can communicate or use over the internet 24 hours. Tim Berners-Lee, the founder of World Wide Web, who developed the World Wide Web in which everyone can share their emails with a same protocols. So all the pages which are available all over the world wide, any website which we can access all over the world comes under www World Wide Web, and the founder of www is Tim Berners-Lee. Next topic is blogs. A blog is an easy to create website that allow user to share their thoughts with the world. The word blog comes from weblog. The topic of blog can be anything from personal to professional. Blogging can be interactive activity. Readers can add comments to a blogger's posting or others can respond and conversation ensues. So blog is like a website through which a person or professional or a single person can share his or her thoughts. And the word blog comes from weblog. In earlier days, people are used to write their personal diaries, but nowadays people mainly use blogging website to share their thoughts. And it is an interactive activity in which like a person will share his thoughts and anyone can comment on it, and a blogger can give the response to their comments. Nowadays the most popular blogging website is Twitter. uh, Twitter have the word limit of 280 words, and some www.blogger.com is also a very famous blogging website where a blogger can post his thoughts. Using email. Electronic mail is a process of sending and receiving text-based messages over the internet. You must have an email address to access email on the internet. While sending an email messages, you enter the email address or address of the recipient so that the computer should know where to send an email. An email address consists of two parts separated by @ symbol. An example of an email address can contain spaces. Example kips@gmail.com. So email is an electronic mails and is a process of sending and receiving the messages, text-based messages over the internet. When you by using internet we send our text-based messages is known as email. So email provides you facility to send the messages and receive the messages. So here you have to create a email ID. So a person who will create the email ID will have his own email address, and the email address, the sender who wants to send the message must have the email address of the recipient. Recipient is the person to whom the message is to be sent, and the email address consists of two parts and separated by at. Here it is, example is been given, kips@gmail.com. So if we want to send an email to kips, we must have this email address. This is a unique address which the persons that belongs to the person who have this email ID. Only that person can access this email, but anyone who have this Gmail ID, kips@gmail.com, can send him the message. Composing and sending email. So when we create an email address, so we get the interface upon which we have to send the message. So to write a mail, click on compose button. It will open a new window wherein we can type the email address of the person, subject of the mail, and the text in the body. After composing an email, click the send button on the toolbar. When you will make your email address, after that you will get an interface on which you have to click on compose button. When you will click on the compose button, a new window will open. A new window will open where you can write your address, email address to the of the person, of the recipient to whom you want to send. And the next box, you have to write the subject of the email, and there is the text body where you can write the text whatever you want to send. And after that, there are some emails facility which provide you to send the attachment also. After composing email, you have to click on send button on the toolbar to send that message. Next topic is e-greetings. An e-greeting is an electronic greeting card that you can send over the internet to convey your wishes to a friend or relative. There are many sites on the internet which provide the facility of sending the e-cards. So e-greetings are the electronic greeting card. Like in previous days we send the birthday cards, but nowadays on internet we can send e-greetings. So if you want to send any good wishes to your friend or relative, you can send it on internet. There are some websites which provide you to send the e-greeting. Some of them are www.123greetings.com, www.hallmark.com. That is your e-greeting. That's all for this chapter. Thank you.